If your high pressure solenoid valve is constantly dumping water into the waste tank, there may be debris on the valve seat. So what you'll need to do is undo this large nut here. Be careful that you don't lose the spring and the plunger. Now the plunger has got two springs inside it, a fine spring and then a coarse spring. It's very easy to lose the fine spring and then it just won't work properly. So just be very careful not to lose that fine one. There's a seal that goes around the outside, and this is the bit that you need to be looking at. Pull out this valve seat. If you can see, there's a split in the red sealing ring there. That is meant to be there. And on the back you have a PTFE white sealing ring. If there's any dirt or debris in there, it will hold the valve open. If that white sealing ring is pitted or damaged, it will cause water to be dumped into the waste tank. So make sure that's clean and in good condition, and then you can reassemble it into the valve body along with the spring, and then refit the solenoid assembly back onto the valve body and tighten it up and test it.